Hello friends. Today we'll discuss about balancing of chemical equation. You are all welcome in my web channel, YouTube channel, Online Chemistry Tuition. We'll discuss here the very basic portion. I will take a chemical equation. After this, we will discuss some more complicated situation. First, very basic equation. This is very basic equation. This is made of hydrogen, this is oxygen, and this is water, H2O, hydrogen monoxide. Now here, before doing all this, we'll go through calculation of the number of atoms. We have to, what we have to do, we have to balance number of atoms in both the side of this arrow. In the reactant side, the number of atoms will be same as the product side. The number of atoms will be same. Okay. Now here we are seeing that here two hydrogen atom presents, here also two hydrogen atom is present, here two oxygen atom is present, here one oxygen atom is present. So here oxygen atom should be twice. So to do it, what we have to do, we are placing a number 2 here. Thus oxygen will be 2 atom and the number of hydrogen will be 4 here. So to do this, we have to add 2 here. Now you will see that this equation is balanced. How the number of hydrogen atom is 4, number of oxygen atom is 2, here number of hydrogen atom is 4 and number of oxygen atom is 2. So this equation is balanced. Okay. Now we'll go to a more complicated reaction, that is next page. Cu H03 means nitric acid forms Cu NO3 whole twice, this is N plus NO2 plus H2O, NO2 plus H2O. Okay, the condition is warm and concentrated acid. Warm and concentrated acid is taken here. In this condition, this is the reaction. Now we'll try to balance the equation. Now before going through to balance the equation, we have to check the number of atoms everywhere. Okay, and at the same time, what we have to do, we have to calculate the number of atoms in both the direction and balance that. Before doing this, we will calculate how many numbers are present before balancing. Here one copper is present and here copper is present. So copper minimum number of atom presence is 1 here and here. So it is already balanced. Now hydrogen here is present. Here only here hydrogen was present. Here nitrogen present. Here nitrogen present. Here nitrogen present. So nitrogen present in 2 position. मतलब here nitrogen is present, here nitrogen is present. Nitrogen is present in the product reaction in two different compounds. Here oxygen is present, here oxygen present, here oxygen present, here oxygen present. Oxygen is present in three different compounds. So to balance the chemical equation, you have to check from the lower portion to higher portion. मतलब you have to check it the lower number of atoms present in both the direction to the higher number present. मतलब here copper is 1 in both directions, so will first preference is copper, then hydrogen present in 1, and here hydrogen present in one compound. So next we will check hydrogen. Next here nitrogen is present in one compound, here nitrogen is present in 1 and 2 compound, two different compound. Nitrogen is present in two different compound, so we will check nitrogen next to hydrogen. Here oxygen present in one compound, here oxygen present in 1, 2 and 3 compound, so we will check oxygen in last. Okay, at last. So we will check copper first. Copper is here is 1, here is 1, so copper is already balanced. Now we will discuss about hydrogen. Here hydrogen is 1, here hydrogen is 2. 2 hydrogen is present here. So from which of the reactant the hydrogen comes? There are two reactants, copper and nitric acid, and hydrogen compounds nitric acid, and in product reaction 2 hydrogen is present. So nitric acid should be in nitric acid hydrogen should be multiple of 2 number of atoms. Number of hydrogen atoms in nitric acid should be multiple of 2. So this here should be 2, 4, 6 dot dot dot. Well, any even number. Here odd number cannot be happen. Okay, because here hydrogen is 2 hydrogen atom is present, so you have to check the in reactant direction there should be 2, 4, 6 etc. Okay, now we'll bring it 2. Okay, 2, 4, 6 etc. We will take it 2. Now if we change it, we have to change 4, 6 like that. You cannot change it like 3, 5 etc. You cannot change it in an odd number. You have to change it in an even number. Here should be an even number present. Okay, because in the product side 2 hydrogen is present. It should be 2, 4, 6. You cannot change it like 3 hydrogen. You cannot bring here. So you cannot bring it any odd number here. You have to bring must bring an even number here. Okay. Now we'll first bring it 2. Now we'll calculate the number of nitrogen atom. Here nitrogen is 2, here nitrogen is 1. Next after preference is nitrogen. Here nitrogen is 2, nitrogen is 1. So nitrogen 2 is okay. Nitrogen 2 is present. Here there is 1 nitrogen. Okay, it is 2. It is 2, huh? So you can easily bring it 3. You can easily bring it 3, but you cannot do it. You have to do it next here. Here nitrogen is present more than 2. Nitrogen atom is more than 2. So here it should be more than 2. Okay, so more than 2, what will be your preference? Next 4. So you will write it 4 instead of 2. Okay, you write here this is 4. Okay, so if it is 4, it should be 2. Now check नाइट्रोजन 2 2 नाइट्रोजन 4 हो गया, यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन 4. Next preference is oxygen. Now oxygen is 12 atom, here it is 6, here it is 4, here it is 1. Or if this is 4, it should be 2, because you have to bring the hydrogen 2 and plus 2, so this is 12. So oxygen number is also balanced. Do you understand, or we will discuss a next reaction? Ag plus HNO3 Ag2NO3 whole twice. NO plus H2O. Here Ag is 1, hydrogen is 1, nitrogen is 1 and oxygen is 1. Here in one place oxygen is present. Number of, this is not number of atoms, these are the how many place the atom is present. Here Ag is present in one position, nitrogen is present in 1 and 2 position, oxygen is present in 1, 2 and 3 position, hydrogen is present in 1 position. So for preferential side, Ag is in 1 position, both reactant and product side, and H, these are same preference. Hydrogen is present in 1 position, 1 position. Nitrogen is present in 1 position and here 1 and 2 position. So nitrogen will be less priority. Here oxygen is present in 1 position, here oxygen present in 1, 2 and 3 position. So oxygen will be far less priority. So at first you can discuss either Ag or H, whichever you want. Okay. So right at first I'll check Ag. Here 2 Ag atom is present, here 1 Ag atom is present. So to make it 2, here 2 Ag atom should be used. Okay. Or you have to use in 4, 6 like that, even number. You cannot bring here odd number. Okay. Next hydrogen. Here hydrogen present is 2 atom, here hydrogen is 1 atom. So you have to also check is like that, 2, 4, 6 dot dot, even number. You cannot bring here any odd number. Okay. Next we'll discuss on nitrogen. What about nitrogen? Here nitrogen is 2, here nitrogen is 1 atom. So 3 nitrogen atom is present. To bring it, it should be 3. You cannot bring it 3. What you should? You bring it 4. So you make it 4. You make it 4. To make it 4, what you should? You should add 2 here. You have to check other also. You have to make 2 here. You have to make 2 here. Now you see nitrogen is balanced. Ag is balanced. 2 to 4 nitrogen is balanced. 4 hydrogen is balanced. Now we'll go to oxygen. Oxygen here is 12 oxygen present. Here there is 6 ऑक्सीजन, यहाँ पे 2 ऑक्सीजन और यहाँ पे 2 ऑक्सीजन. So what will there? 12. Sorry, 10. 10 oxygen is present. So oxygen is not balanced. Now what you have to do? You have to increase the oxygen number in this direction, this portion. To increase oxygen number, which you have to increase? This is the main problem. If you increase this, you have to increase this also. To increase 2, you have to make it 4. Just make it 4. Okay. If you bring it 4, then hydrogen will be 8, and you have to bring it 8 here. Nitrogen will be 8 here, 2 or 2, or so 4. So you have to bring 4 nitrogen also. But you see here, if you bring it 8, what will happen? Oxygen will be 24. The oxygen number of oxygen will be 24 here, or here it is 6 plus 2 plus 4, मतलब 12. So our nitrogen number will be 2 and 2, 4. So we have to bring nitrogen number higher. To bring nitrogen number higher, what will do? You will exceed this portion and exceed this portion. Okay. So here number of nitrogen should be 6, because here it is 2, here it is 2. Number of nitrogen atoms should be 4, and here nitrogen atoms should be 8. So to bring nitrogen number should be 8, you have to make here, there is 2 present, so you have to bring here 6. So nitrogen number should be 8. Okay. To make nitrogen number 8, you have to bring it 6, and you have to make here 3. Make here 3, so that the nitrogen atom should be 6, and bring nitrogen atom number same, both the reactor and product side. You will check that number of Ag atom here 6, 3 into 2 6, and you have to make it 3, so that Marconi number should be balanced. Sorry, 3, not 3, this should be 6, this should be even number. We have check it even number, so this should be 6. And now oxygen, calculate the oxygen number. 8 into 3, that is 24. here 3 to 6, 6 into 3, that is 18, here 2, or here this is 4, and you will check that is equal to 24. So both the direction, the number is balanced, so the balanced equation will be 6hg plus 8hno3 equal to 3hg2no3 whole twice plus no 2no plus 4h2. Thank you for watching this video. Next we'll discuss some other methods to balance a cubical equation. Thank you.